No.
Okay, so here we have our Blink Doorbell, right? So there's the Blink Doorbell, right?
Mm-hmm.
So people have been asking me, let's get inside where there's not so much noise. People have been asking me how to use the Blink app to talk on the doorbell, right? So here's the Blink app. So you pull up the Blink app. So what you got to do is you go to your doorbell. This is the doorbell, DB, right? Hit live, this camera thing. Okay. So hit that. So now it's live. There will be in a second. See how that little speaker turned on? So now we can hear the noise. Can you hear that? You can hear the noise from outside. Right here it says tap to unmute. Okay. Now I can hear hello. Let's see if you can hear it. Hello.
Do it again.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So that's how you do that.
There's a delay, but yes.
There's a delay. Yeah. So like it's not real time, and then you can hit mute. So it's so it's not
Very
real
cool.
time, but that's where it is on the iOS app. So
Very cool.
okay. So
Nice.
you go to your devices, you click on it, click live.
I always wonder what that live video was about.
Well, you can see what's going on live too.
Yeah.
But then you can also like talk to whoever's there.
Yeah.
Or you can just make spooky sounds. Ooh. And then outside will go ooh. So
Pretty neat.
yeah. Thanks.